Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are at day 10 of the daily code challenge for the February month, and we again have a medium level question in front of us. Let's see what the question is. Today I will be telling you, like, see, in case if you get such a kind of algorithms, or let us say let such a kind of question. See, first of all, you should try to do it in the best possible, shortest way possible, in which you can code in a short time. Okay. Other than that, yeah, then you will have to think of the algorithmic way of doing it and the best way of doing it. So yeah, that is the way I should be doing it, and yeah, that's the way you should be doing it, and the way like it's expected of you, right? So let's see what it will be. Question 647, palindromic substrings. Okay, given a string s, return the number of palindromic substrings. Okay, there are so many terms used here, so let us first of all clarify what all of them mean. First of all, what is a palindrome? So they have given the definition here. A string is a palindrome when it reads the same backwards and forward. Okay, so for example, let us take example first. Okay, so what I will do is, let me create a string and show you that. So see, let us say a is a string. Okay, and let us say it is, uh, let me call it nitin. Okay, so it's a string. As you can see, the way it looks from the forward, like, see, read from left to right, you will see nitin, and at the same time read from right to left, again you will see the same way it appears, right? It's the same. Okay, it's exactly the same, as simple as that. But now, how to confirm if it is palindromic or not? Okay, so see, a very simple way of doing that is, see, I will just quickly show you one thing. What I will do is, I will reverse the string and show you how it looks. Okay, that is just, I will just show you that. And yeah, let me return a number randomly. Let us say 8, because the rest of, I don't want the rest of the code to run. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it's looking the same. Okay, this is the reverse of this. Okay, as simple as that. So in Python, if you have to reverse any string, this is the way you have to do it in a quickest way possible. Okay, instead of without using any inbuilt functions or anything like that, this is a very very simple way of doing it. And yeah, it's a very quick one as well. Okay, as you can see, this is the reverse way of it. So I just wanted to show you this, that you don't feel anything difficult to understand my code. Don't face any difficulty in understanding my code. Yeah, as simple as that. So I hope you are now clear what a palindrome is. And now, again, a very very simple and most basic question: what is a substring? See, they are mentioning a substring, right? What is substring, by the way, and how it is different from subsequence? So subsequence is a little bit higher way of doing things, but let us not go to that. First of all, what is substring? Substring means, see, it is very very simple. See, this is the whole string given to us. Okay, okay, this is the thing given to us. Let us say I choose only a part of it. Okay, let us say B and C, then it becomes a substring. Okay, string is a whole string. Substring is a part of it. Okay, a smaller part of it. But remember, the ordering should be same. For example, B comes first and then C comes in the the actual given string. So in the substring as well, it should come in the same order. Okay, you cannot reverse the order. For example, see, you cannot take C A and then C. Okay, in that way it cannot be substring. Okay, that becomes a subsequence. But I don't want to go to what is subsequence now, because in this question we require only substring. So substring is very simple. Is the, more simple if you have to define it. It is a part of the given string. Okay, any part you can take it. Okay, as simple as, for example, A and B is also substring. Similarly, B and C is also substring, and whole of A, B, and C is also substring. As simple as that. Okay, that is the basic idea. So now let's see the question. They're saying, given a string has written the number of palindromic substrings in it. Okay, a string is a palindrome when it reads the same. Let's see. See, if you don't understand this particular statement, I will say that. See, what is a palindrome is basically a string and its reverse are the same. Okay, the condition which I showed you some time back. If a string and its reverse are the same, then it means it's a palindrome. As simple as that. Okay. And now they are, what they're saying is, a substring is a contiguous. They're saying the definition of substring here. Okay, a substring is a contiguous sequence of characters within the string. Okay, as simple as that. I've already mentioned this what it is. And again, I will say that if you're a complete beginner, if you're not understanding what we're talking about, in this case, though this question is easy, still I will say that if you don't understand these particular things, like what is a palindrome and what is a substring, please do Google it out. It will definitely help you a lot. But again, I would like to say palindrome, I've already explained. If a string and its reverse are the same, it's a palindrome. As simple as that. What is substring? Substring is a smaller part of a given string. Okay, it can be the whole part as well, but it normally is considered a smaller part of the given string. As simple as that. So yeah, fine. That was all for this, and let us jump to the solution now. In this question, as you can see, in this example, as you can see, this is the thing given to us. So by default, see, the answer is 3. Why it is so? Because see, even the individual characters, they are considering them as the palindromic substrings. Okay, so that is the thing. And in this case, again, you can see the answer is 6, and that's how they have defined it. Okay, so first they are taking the palindrome substring of length 1, and then they are taking the palindromic substrings of length 2, and then they are taking the one for length 3. As simple as that. So yeah, that was all. And now coming to the solution. The solution is going to be very, very simple. Let me tell you that it's going to be very, very simple and it's getting accepted as well. So I thought of like showing you this as well. Okay. See, there are many ways to do things, but as I mentioned, if you're an online assessment, first of all, you should try the most basic way of doing it. Okay. If it's getting accepted, then why not would you go to the next question and try out that instead of solving the given question in a very optimized way. Your aim in a in an online assessment should be to complete as many questions as you can. As simple as that. Then if you have time remaining, then obviously you can come back and try to solve in an optimized way. So that is what I will be suggesting you. Now coming to this particular question, first of all I'm taking the length of it. Okay, so I'm initializing answer with ny. See, try to understand this fact. In this example, we saw that the length of the string is 3. That's why I'm starting the answer also with 3. Okay. See, here all of them are length 1, right? Nothing of length 2. There is no substring of length 2, which is a palindrome, right? So that's what I'm doing. I will not be separately checking, individual characters because they are anyway going to be substrings. Okay. That they are anyway going to be palindromes. Okay. So individual characters I'm not going to check. So that's why I'm directly appending into the answer. Okay. Now what I'm doing is I will be in the range and myself. Okay, what it means is, see, I will go till the second last character. Okay, see, if I write and here, that means I will go from 0 to n minus 1, which is actually the index of the given string. Okay, but in this case I want it to go till the second last character. That means it will go till 0, from 0 to n minus 2, as simple as that. Okay, what I'm doing next, j will go from I plus 1 till the last. Okay, so for example I is 0, then j will be from 1 to n minus 1, as simple as that. Okay, so all the indices after I will be part of j. Okay, then what I'm doing, take k. See here, k is equal to the string of s, that is take. See, this is how I'm going to take the substring. Okay, so take the substring of s starting from the index I till the index j. Okay, if you are not understanding this, let me quickly comment here. So it's the substring of s from index I to index j. Okay, I hope now it is clear. This is the Python's way of doing it. Okay, so it's starting from index I till index j. Which part of substring, for example, see, in this case let us say 0 to 1. Okay, if I say 0 and then that colon and 2, if I mention that, that means 0 and 1 will be selected. That means this part of it. Okay, that's what I'm doing it here. Okay, so basically I'm taking a part of the substring, that is part of the string, as that is a, I'm taking a substring here. Okay, I am calling it as a k. Then I'm checking if k is equal to its reverse. In that case it will be a possible answer, and that's why I will append 1 to my answer. I will increase my answer by 1. That is all I'm doing it, and finally I'm returning the answer. So let me quickly run this and show you. As you can see, this is getting accepted, and I've already submitted this solution. Okay, let me show you my submissions as well. And yeah, here out they look. So yeah, this is getting accepted, and yeah, you can submit the same. So yeah, friend, that was all for today. There's actually nothing much to discuss here. But see, I just showed you the simple way of doing it. There can be multiple ways of doing it as well. But because this way itself is getting accepted, so I thought of like showing you the same. Okay. So yeah, fine, that was all for today. If you like my efforts, if you like this journey, basically, like we are solving continuously from last, I guess, 1.5 years or something. So, okay. And if you like this journey, if you want to be part of it, and if you are in intention to, continue your coding journey, and if you want some motivation, like if you want to see someone who is doing so, and so that you can get the same confidence, please consider subscribing to my channel so that you are part of this journey, and together we can do further. Okay. If you are like watching my videos, or like if you're getting any inspiration from my videos, or if you're getting help in coding from my videos, then definitely it will be a achievement for me as well. So please do consider subscribing to my channel. It really gives you a lot of motivation. So yeah, friend, that was all for today. Thanks a lot. See you tomorrow.